Hey, good morning, folks. I'm meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. This is Frank's Great Outdoors from Linwood, in Linwood, Saginaw Bay weather forecast. I talked to some buddies that fish a lot, and we're going to start to point more toward wind because we know the ice is gone, and so I'm going to help you pick out lighter wind periods if you want to give it a try. So here we go. And remember, the same thing applies on the isobars in spring and summer as does winter. The closer they are, the stronger the wind. So hopefully you're getting a feel for how to interpret these surface maps. So this is and we're going to look at this a little closer. We have a storm system on Thursday. Ahead of it, we go back to the southwesterly winds picking up this afternoon and this evening. This is tomorrow morning and afternoon. There could be a lighter wind period. What the kind of weather pattern we're in now is you might get 6 hours of lighter wind, say less than 10 miles an hour. Now this is Wednesday afternoon and evening, so the storm system is approaching. The rain, maybe even thunderstorms come in. Yes, that's snow on the backside of it. Yes, that's snow on Saginaw Bay on Thursday. So Thursday, definitely not the day. As the winds turn northwest, they start to get gusty and it turns colder and snowy for a short time period. And then here's Friday into the weekend, another little weak system. This is pretty far out, but a signature like that on the pressure pattern would be a lighter wind. That would be Sunday. So we'll keep an eye on it. Here's again a closer look. So today, and I've got an exact look at the wind for you. So this afternoon, the winds start to pick up. This is by evening, southwesterly wind. Tomorrow that can slack off. It's forecast to slack off in the afternoon, evening, and switch to the southeast ahead of the storm. And then here's your Wednesday night, and then this is your Thursday morning into early afternoon. We turn windy and gusty. And this kind of wind forecast we're going to have to take day by day. Here's total snowfall out of that thing on Thursday. So yeah, we could have an inch even around our region. Temperatures will be cooler today in the mid 40s. Then, let's see here. Then tomorrow we're back to 60 degrees. And on Wednesday we're into the upper 60s. Now bear in mind, that's a land temperature, and out over the bay you're going to be in the 40s and 50s in the air. This is Thursday, signs of a storm system because you're 40s in the southeast, 30s in the northwest. Then this is Friday into the 50s. This is next Saturday and next Sunday. Now, lighter wind periods. All right, so let's go to this afternoon. This is 2 o'clock this afternoon. Pretty good. 8 o'clock tonight, exact time. We're looking at 10 to 15 miles an hour winds. So this afternoon, pretty good until the wind picks up. Tomorrow morning, southwesterly wind. That's 12 to 17 miles an hour, southwesterly wind. Midday slackens off. So tomorrow is going opposite of normal. Windy in the morning, slacks off midday, back to windy in the afternoon, late afternoon and evening. Wednesday morning, that's sunrise Wednesday morning. That might be a time to target. And Wednesday midday. So Wednesday could be a halfway decent day with winds under 10 miles an hour until the afternoon and evening. And then, of course, here's Thursday, way too windy. And let's just try to get a peek into the weekend. This is Friday morning, afternoon, evening, pretty windy. This is Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, quite windy. And maybe we get a die down on Sunday. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But right now, you got a few periods that I've highlighted that you can get out with winds under 10 miles an hour, and that's the shift now. We'll be watching for any weather that would cause you safety concern, and then, of course, any wind that would cause safety concern. And this is the Saginaw Bay weather forecast brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood. I'm meteorologist Mark Torregrossa with Michigan Meteorological Services, and I also own farmerweather.com.